Hi there, I'm AJ from AJ's Design Lab. Well, it's now 2019, so what a great time to be starting a brand new channel on YouTube, and this one is all about web design. In upcoming videos I'll show you some of the software and tools that I use regularly, along with tips and tricks and tutorials on HTML, CSS, images, WordPress design, pretty much anything that's going to help you build a better website. In this first video I'm going to look at 3 different Chrome browser extensions that I use quite a lot. So I'll pop a web page up so we can take a look at these extensions, which by the way are all available in the Chrome store and they're absolutely free. The first one is called What Font, so I'll just activate that by clicking the icon, and there's so many times you need to know the size or color or font family, and all you do is hover over a font on the page and you can see what it is. If you click on it you get a bit more information such as the style, the size, the color, and if this web page were importing fonts from somewhere like perhaps Google Fonts, then it would let you know that as well. So all in all, it's a very handy tool. I'll just exit that and I'll look at the next one, which is called Colorzilla. Now there's a lot of color pickers available out there, but this is just the one that I've used right from the start and I found it to be reliable. So if we activate that just by clicking on it, I can now hover over any part of the web page, and not only do I see the color, I see any class name for the element, I can see the size of the element, and it also works on images. So if I scroll down and find perhaps this image here, I can see that this blue is 0285F7. The thing I really like about it is that it works on images on your hard drive. So for those times that a client sends you an image as a flat file and says, I'd like to copy these colors please, then all you do is you just right click on the image, choose to open with Google Chrome, and now you can activate your color picker and see what colors are inside that picture. So we can see the yellow, FFO, and if I hover over the blue I can see what that is as well. And the final one I'm going to look at is a ruler. Now there's so many times you need to know the size of something on a page, the height, the width, or the gap between point A and point B, so I use this quite a lot. There's various ones out there, this just happens to be the one that I've chosen. So you can just drag a ruler across, up and down, and it will show you the width and the height of whatever it is that you've chosen to look at. So those are the 3 extensions that I find I use quite a lot. You might have found better alternatives, in which case just let me know about them. I'm always keen to try out different ones, but hopefully this has helped you, and we'll catch up with you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then you can subscribe to my channel and click this icon to get notified about new videos. And of course a thumbs up is always appreciated. Thanks for watching.